Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Ms. Harris. I'm going to start letting them in. All right, it's on you. Do what I can.
Good morning. Please mute your phones. The Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins is presiding. While Zoom is in session, there will be no driving, no inappropriate appearance of any kind, no head wraps unless they represent religious purpose, no eating, drinking, sleeping, smoking, white tees, or hoodies. Please take heed to the instructions. Court is in session. Good morning, Judge.
All right, good morning. All right, good morning, everyone. What I'm going to do is try to get you out as fast and efficiently as possible. I'm going to try to get you out in the order that you came in. I'm going to wish everybody a happy new year, and we're going to get going. This is the city. Are we ready, Ms. Williams Law?
Yes, Judge.
This is the city of Detroit versus Roland Keith Graham. Case number SP 179-14611, SP 173-43671. Good morning to you, Mr. Graham. State your name for the record, please.
Good morning, Roland Graham.
Today is the date and time set for a review. You have gotten into a payment plan, I wish you the best of luck, sir. Great new year. And if you ever want to check back in to make sure once you finish paying these off that they've been closed out, we're supposed to be dismissed. So if you want to check back in and make sure they're dismissed, you feel free to, okay?
Happy New Year to you.
Thank you so much.
Have a good one. I leave, right?
You literally have a great day.
Right.
City of Detroit. Mr. Latta, good morning to you.
Good morning, sir.
An attorney, Ogletree is your attorney. So he's here. Have Mr. Ogletree, are you there?
I'm here. I just wanted to speak to Ms. Horn to see what she wanted to do on this one.
Mr. Lott, I'm gonna put you in breakout room 5. Wait on Mr. Ogletree, okay?
Okay, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right. Good morning to you. Happy New Year to you. All right. This is the city of Detroit. Mr. Lewis, have you, good morning to you. Have you had your attorney contact you? Ogletree. I'm gonna put you in 6. Wait on Mr. Ogletree, all right?
He only called me one time.
All right, he'll come in and see you now. Wait in a few minutes. Join the room. City of Detroit versus Marcos Garcia, case number SP 181-41071. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Garcia.
Marcos Garcia.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, my client would stand mute.
I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond Mr. Garcia, go in the breakout room with Mr. Barry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. And if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Thank you.
Ms. London, your matter is set for a formal hearing. I'm going to give the officer a half-hour grace period from 8:30 to 9 o'clock. If the officer appears, I'll get you in a breakout room with someone to speak to them. If the officer does not appear, then we'll get you out of here, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right, good morning to you.
Good morning to you as well.
Hearing up there. Lockett, you see Lockett? Yeah, I got you. All right. It's the city of Detroit versus
No, we moved to 535.
Shyla Lockett, case number SP 137-96511, SP 1582646, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 158265511. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning to the staff. Cherika Harris, P72832, on behalf of the defendant. Please state your name for the record.
Shyla Lockett.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Purposes of arraignment, counselor.
Good morning, sir. Do you have a landlord tenant or traffic case? This is an arraignment for traffic.
Ms. Harris?
Jeremy Good.
Sorry, for purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
All right, I'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Lockett, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. All right, let's go. Okay. Good morning to you, sir. Good morning. What's your name? Green, Mr. Green, and what's your? Goodlet. Good morning to both of you. Happy New Year to both of you.
Please move ahead, sir. Gentleman behind.
What's your name? Golson. So we have Goodlet. One more time.
Lorenzo Green.
Lorenzo Green.
0550000. This meeting ID does not exist.
And Harold Golson. Golson. Good morning to all three of you. All right. Did you get what were you getting, the license?
Yeah, I supposed to, you let me go. I supposed to brought the money back today, the 240.
You didn't bring it.
Huh?
You didn't bring it? But
Yeah, I brought it. As you said, you was trying to see if I get my license back.
yeah, did you get a license?
Huh?
Did you go get a license?
No, I had a license already. They suspended because of I didn't have insurance, remember this?
So did you get it taken care of?
No, I didn't, I know,
All right.
because I don't.
All right, we'll figure it out. We'll figure it out.
Sir.
Yeah,
Come on.
yeah, okay.
We'll figure it out. And Ghost, I'm trying to see, how do you have it? You can have a seat, Mr. Green.
Okay.
Yes, sir. What's your first name?
It should be two, one is senior, one is junior. I'm junior.
Last name is Golson.
Yeah, GOL. So,
You have your cell phone?
yes, I do.
Can you see it?
Yes, sir. I don't see Golson on here. That's crazy because that's the second time that I done got that today. But I was told I had court today at the 36th district.
You have a driver's license?
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Garcia. Mr. Garcia, hold on. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Garcia. Mr. Garcia, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client has shown valid insurance and we would seek dismissal.
Mr. Garcia, I'm going to dismiss the case for providing valid documentation.
Thank you very
I
much.
wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too. God bless you.
You as well. City of Detroit versus Nicholas Lee, case number SP 169-55531, SP 180-8877, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Lee has 2 cases that he missed and driving in an unsafe manner and improper equipment. I wouldn't have any issue allowing him to be heard on those cases if the city has no objection to that. Mr. Lee, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna make an attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Okay.
So, Mr. Green, did you ever go to the Secretary of State?
Remember when you talked to me, you think don't see.
I know. That's
But I
why
know I didn't get a chance to go.
you need to go to Secretary of State.
Okay, then. Yeah, all right.
You need to go to Secretary of State because without that, you may get the license. But let's go ahead and we'll take care of this and get you out of here.
Gotta unlock it.
Oh, okay.
You're not Lorenzo Lee Green, are you?
No, Tony.
Tony. All right. All right. I don't think he's gonna need to, I think we're just gonna go ahead and send him back on out to see if he get, because it's set for a pretrial, I think.
It is set for pre-trial.
Set for a pretrial, so we'll just set a trial date. And in the meantime, go to the Secretary of State. See if you can get a license. Run his license, Mr. Lorenzo Green's license. All right, Ms. Harris, are you ready?
May I have it? No, may I have a docket, please?
I sent out dockets yesterday. Oh, I'll do it again.
Golson was not Golson was not on our docket.
No, he's a landlord tenant.
He is, okay.
And this is Goodlid.
Goodlid is in the hallway.
The office, probation officer office is going to zoom in on.
How was your holiday, Mr. Green?
I love you, man.
Huh?
I was, I hate to say something, my family said they think they know me.
Do they? And how do they know me?
We had a guy named Howard Perkins stayed in the project. They thought you maybe can't damn.
I don't know that. I've never heard of that, but I'm not gonna.
My daughter, she said she remember you. Her name was Christy Lee.
And she was in here?
She remember you. She told me about you.
Oh, did she?
Yes, she told me you.
Did she say some good things? All right.
And I kind of figured that, 'cause, like I was saying to you, I never get in trouble. I'm still, I had a pretty good thing, but I didn't have no finances. I'm still looking for a job. I was gonna ask y'all.
Well, let me tell you this. Let me say this. He brought that 240 in without having a job. You're doing better than a whole lot of people.
So can I say something?
Uh-huh.
I live, like I said, I go to Solomon Temple. I've been saved for over 30-some years. I'll be 70. I'm still trying to work.
What?
I'll be 70, 2 more years. And I'm still trying to work. It's hard for me. I only get Social Security. It's not enough money. So that's why I'm still working. And my wife, she's gone. I got kids. I got 7 kids, but they all grown. But it's hard. And I got 2 dogs at home. They just like having kids. So
Tell me about it.
I just got myself. So I wanted to do this for all my life. I never got in trouble. I don't want to be in trouble. I'm not that guy. Like I was saying, I know I broke down because
Let's not do that again.
Okay.
All right.
I like my freedom.
Yeah, you're not gonna lose your freedom over this. If you lost your freedom over this nowadays, it'd be a whole lot of people in jail. All right. Are we, Ms. Harris, she got the docket. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to go ahead and Cedric's iPhone. Cedric's iPhone, can you unmute yourself, please?
I'm here, Your Honor.
Hey, good morning to you, sir. What is your last name?
Oliver Jr. Cedric Oliver Jr.
Oliver Jr., right. Good morning to you.
How are you?
Oh, thank you. Okay. Okay, so I see your license is not looking good, Mr. Green. You need to go back to the Secretary of State and you need to get reassessed because you've had these accidents.
That's why I was saying, Your Honor, that when I had the accident, that's why I told you I got my eyes redid,
All right, so that's what you need to do then.
No, I had them done.
No, I'm talking about you have to go back to the take and now let me ask you this. You went to get re-examined, right?
Yeah.
And that's when because one time you missed. And then the next time you came back in and you went to get re-examined and then they suspended you indefinitely, right?
No, they suspended me in January, but I don't know how, because that's when they first, I didn't know my life was suspended.
All right, so here's what happened. Here's what happened. You had a date to appear on January 17th, and they say you didn't appear for the re-examination.
But probably, sir, Your Honor, I work I was working at Captain's Kitchen.
All right.
They don't even let me off, like I told them.
All right, listen, I'm just telling you what I see. What you need to do is you need to go back and you need to go to the Secretary of State. And if you have to set up an examination or something, you have to do that.
Okay.
All right. So go do that immediately. What I'm going to do is let's call it City of Detroit versus Lorenzo Green. Step up, Mr. Green. Step up to the podium, sir. City of Detroit versus Lorenzo Tony Green. Case numbers SP 163-95282, SP 181-3114, counts 1 and counts 2. State your name for the record, Mr. Green.
Tony Green.
All right. Is there an attorney? Okay, so what we'll do is this. What's today? The 8th. All right, come back in 2 weeks. Come back in 2 weeks, but go to the Secretary of State immediately, as soon as you can get a thing. And I'm just going to set it for another pretrial date to see what you, because you might have to take a test. You might have to take some kind of reexamination. Now that you got your eyes worked on, you could see better, and I'm sure this should be okay, right?
Well, they told me with the surgery, I gotta go to I probably gotta wear glasses, so I gotta go to a doctor to try me glasses.
So when are you going to be able to do that?
Soon as I can get my finances intact.
Well, you got that money on you.
Yes, I'm probably, you said play my money.
Well, go ahead and just use that money to get your eyes, to get the glasses and stuff. Go ahead and use that money to get your glasses, because we want to see you with you get your stuff together, your help together, and then get a driver's license. If the driver's license will take care of a lot of this stuff.
Yes, sir.
All right. So what I'll do is I won't even have you come back in 2 weeks. I'll have you come back in 30 days. That gives you time, so you don't have to keep coming back and forth down here. Come back on February the 9th, 2026 at 8:30. That way, I wouldn't go to the Secretary of State without having your glasses together and stuff.
That's the thing I was trying to when I had the accident, I was wearing the thick glasses. That's why they redid my eye. That's crazy. So then he said, you still gonna need probably have to wear regular glasses, you know what I'm saying? Because it's like I'm farsighted, I don't know.
Right.
You know.
Well, you know what I'm saying, though. I would get the glasses first.
Yes, sir. That's right.
And then go to the Secretary of State.
I'm going to do that, sir.
All right. Come back February 9th. All right. All right. And tell your daughter we said hi. And
you know, I might, probably see my nephew. My nephew is Braden Green. He played for Eastern Michigan. He played against the Browns son.
Oh.
Probably my brother, Dr. Tim Green. He got a school right there on 8 Mile. Like I said, I stayed down the street from down Ross. I used to pay to see a singer at Brewster Center. They were doing all that area over, but I'm from Brewster. So.
Yeah, he come from royalty.
I appreciate y'all, Judge. You know,
all right.
I don't want to talk out of jail.
All right.
But I believe in doing right, because that's the way it is. That's the way my mom raised us and stuff the right way. I don't like problems. I like solutions. I don't like problems. But I thank y'all for everything.
All right. So get them glasses so we can get the solution to your problem.
Okay.
All right. Have a good one, Mr. Green. And best of luck to you.
Thank you.
All right. Take it easy. All right. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Nicholas Lee. Mr. Lee, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, first, the prosecutor has no problem setting aside the defaults. But Mr. Lee requires a trial and the appointment of counsel. His number is in the chat.
All right, Mr. Lee, is that what you want to do?
Yes.
I'm going to set the matter for a pretrial date, and that date is set so that the attorney can have contact with you. I need you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by your next court date, then we'll get one appointed to you on the spot. I got 455. It says, is that 8605? Mr. Lee?
Yes, that's correct.
Okay. If it's nothing further, come back on January 22nd, 2020, January 22nd at 8:30, okay?
Okay.
All right, best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good rest of your day, all right?
You as well.
City of Detroit versus Charlinda London. Case numbers SP 1850067, counts 1, 2, and 3. Well, no, strike that. SP 178-37931. Appearance for the record, please.
Elvis Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. London.
Yes, Charlinda Tanisha London.
Good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning.
All right, today is the date and time set for a formal hearing. I have Earl Franklin, Officer Earl Franklin. Is there an Officer Earl Franklin here? All right, hearing no response.
Your Honor, the motion is for dismissal, there being no complaining witness.
Okay. I'm going to grant the motion to dismiss for no officer. You have like 3 other tickets that on, just letting you know that you haven't set a date for those tickets. I can see if Mr. Berry can get you an updated offer on those tickets now if you want.
The officer told me to get my stuff together and then show up. I just have to get my it was for no registrations to my vehicle. My birthday had came and
You want to set it, hold on. Do you want to set a date? Because you haven't set a date yet.
yes, I guess we could set a date. That'll be fine.
SP, let's call in the record SP 1850067, counts 1, 2, and 3. How long is it going to take you to get your stuff together?
Well, I just started back working, to be honest, sir. I at least need another two weeks. I'm aiming for 3 at the most.
All right, I'm going to go ahead and give you 30 days.
Okay, I appreciate it.
Come back on February 9th, 2026 at 8:30, okay?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day, and I'll see you back next month.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Jimmy Griffin, are you there?
Yes, I'm sorry, my baby's crying.
All right, good morning to you. Where are you?
Good morning. Let me pick her up. Maybe she'll come on.
Right. City of Detroit versus Jimmy. Number SP 175-68621. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Griffin.
Jamia Griffin.
Jamia Griffin, I'm sorry. Officer Lunguski, are you there?
Yes, Your Honor. Good morning.
All right, state your name, badge number, department for the record, please.
Yes, Officer Maverick Lunguski, badge 746, Detroit Police.
All right, today is the date and time set for a trial. Ms. Griffin, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. If there is a plea, Mr. Berry, make sure that Ms. Griffin can make up the factual basis, meaning that she allowed someone to drive this vehicle.
That wasn't
and-
mine.
No, stop.
Oh,
You talk to Mr. Berry about it, and she allowed that person to drive that vehicle, knowing that person did not have a valid driver's license, and I guess it'd have to be her vehicle. So, Mr. Berry, go in the breakout room with Miss Griffin and get an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
thank you.
And I'll wait till the city comes in. Officer Lunguski, if you want to speak to the city about it.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Let me find out who this is. All right, Zoom user, can you unmute yourself, start your camera, and state your name, please?
Tyler Olson.
Say that again.
Tyler Olson.
Tyler Olson?
Yep.
All right, good morning to you.
Good morning.
You find out who this other Zoom user is. Zoom user, just let you in the room. Can you unmute yourself, start your camera, and state your name, please?
Tyra Gray.
No, not you, Miss Gray. We've already spoken.
Turhan Grant.
Say that again.
Turhan Grant.
Okay, Turhan Grant. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
You need the meeting ID is 360-535. It is 360-535.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Lockett. Ms. Lockett, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, Ms. Lockett was able to present valid insurance and registration.
Ms. Lockett, I'm going to dismiss your case for providing valid documentation. If you further, I wish you a happy new year and a prosperous new year. Best of luck to you, okay?
All right, thank you, Judge Perkins. Am I done for the day?
Yeah, you still owe the court. I'm going to waive the warrant fees on these cases, but you still owe the court for the improper display of plate, $126, expired plate, $214, and no proof of insurance, $328, okay?
Okay, is there a way I can set up some type of payment plan or community service? Because I'm on a limited income right now and I'm going to school.
You can do community service. If you want to do community service, I'll give you 18 hours of community service to clear it up. But if you want to get into a payment plan, you're gonna have to come downstairs to the cashier and set up the payment plan.
Okay, that'll be no problem. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
Okay, so you want to do the payment plan?
Yes.
All right, best of luck to you, ma'am. Have a very good rest of your day.
All right, you too as well. Thank you.
Welcome. City of Detroit, Ms. Harris versus Kyra Marie Gray. Case numbers SP 1645509, counts 1 and counts 2. There's 2 tickets that aren't on the docket that were in default. I wouldn't have any issue with allowing her to be heard on those tickets. That would be SP 1798925, counts 1 and counts 3. One is a disregarding a red signal, and another is a defective brake light. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name for the record.
Kyra Gray.
All right, good morning. Oh, go ahead.
Purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request that the warrants be recalled.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Graham will put you in a breakout room with Mr. Barry. Ms. Harris, she's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Ready?
Mr. Barry, are we ready on Griffin? Paul and Spencer Spivak.
I'm sorry. Oh, did you ask was I ready?
Paula and Spencer Spivak here, Your Honor.
Zach, and are you an attorney or what is this? Mr. Spivak?
Yes, speaking.
All right, well, how can I help you?
So we were served with some printed out eviction notice from our landlord.
Okay. You're gonna have to, hold on, let me stop you. We switched courtrooms. This is, you're looking for Judge Sharp, right? Landlord tenant?
Yes.
Dial 360-434-0000. That's Judge Sharp's new courtroom in 434.
Got it. All right, so that's 360-534-0000.
434. 434.
434. Okay, got it.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, best of luck to you all. Happy New Year and best of luck to you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Griffin. Mr. Barry, I've given you an opportunity to speak to your client. What's going to happen with this case?
The matter is to be dismissed per the prosecutor, Your Honor.
Okay. If there's nothing further, Ms. Griffin, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you. You too. Happy New Year. Oh, wait. Oh. Miss which Miss? Oh, sorry.
Yeah, you, the Jamia Griffin.
Oh, okay. Have a good day.
All right, best of luck to you, okay?
All right, bye.
Bye-bye. All right, Officer Lunguski, you be safe out there, and I'll see you soon, all right?
Yep, thank you, Your Honor. Take care. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year to you. All right, this is the city of Detroit. I mean, we still have a few more minutes. I don't know, Oleski, I know one officer signed in for Oleski. Do we have another officer here for Oleski? We're looking for Officer Thomas, Officer Moss, and Officer Taylor and Officer Williams. I know Officer Taylor, I think, is here. Good morning to you, NPO Taylor. I'm going to give it a few more minutes, Ms. Oleski, okay? Give them their time to for their cutoff time.
Thank you.
That gets me down to I think we can go ahead with Turhan Grant. Mr. Barry, I think all the officers are here for Mr. Grant. It's the City of Detroit versus Turhan Grant. Case numbers SP 164-28661, SP 171-64511, SP 1759061, SP 175105531, SP 175105532, SP 1716499, counts 1 and counts 2, and SP 1759006, strike that, SP 1759096, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Grant.
My name is Turhan Dadale Grant.
Good morning to you, Mr. Grant. Happy New Year to you. Let's get some other cases that appear to have not made the docket. And we'll figure it out. I think they went along with some other tickets, civil infraction tickets. So let's get you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry.
Okay.
Mr. Berry's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Let me check and see which ones they are. All right. So we have.
Yes.
This one on here. Okay, so Mr. Berry, one is failure. I think that's failure to wear a crash helmet, and the other is a no ops. Why those two did not make the docket, I don't know, but those are the two that I think they went along with other tickets anyway, so we don't have to worry about officers being here. Officer Lieutenant Granberry, good morning to you. Can you state your name, badge number, department for the record, please?
Hello, good morning, Your Honor. My name is Lieutenant McQuell Granberry, badge number LA3, Detroit Police Department of the 5th Precinct.
All right, good morning to you. And Officer Charlie Walker III, good morning to you. Can you state your name, badge number for the record, please?
Officer Charlie Walker III, 7th Precinct, Detroit Police Department.
Okay, Okay, good morning to you. Then we have Corporal Rule. Turn your whatever background you have off. If you're playing the TV or something, turn it off.
I got you.
This is Corporal Rule Badge 3896 Detroit Police.
All right. That'll do it. Today is the date and time set for a trial. I don't have the city attorney here yet, but I believe Mr. Berry can at least get Mr. Grant his updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, today is the date and time set for that trial. Join the room, Mr. Grant. Speak to Mr. Berry, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
All right, let's pass the matter. Are you ready on anyone over, Mr. Ogletree? All right, let's call the city of Detroit versus Caleb Nathaniel Gracie.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning to you. Turn your camera on, sir.
Okay.
Good morning to you. State your name for the record, Mr. Gracie.
Caleb Nathaniel Gracie.
All right, you made some payments, but you did not get into a payment plan, I don't believe.
I know I was gonna ask about that today, but I don't even need that much time. I was gonna get the money in tomorrow.
All right. You're gonna get it in tomorrow. You want to come back tomorrow and we can close it out?
Yeah, but keep extra day.
Extra day? Well, what is it? Tomorrow or is it extra day? When you gonna have it in, Mr. Grayson?
I'm gonna have it in tomorrow, but can I get 2 days?
Yeah. All right. You want to come back? You want to come back Monday?
Yes, sir.
I'm trying to give you the time that you need. Tell me what you need.
Yeah, I just need like a couple days. That's it.
So Monday, is that good?
Yeah, that's perfect.
All right. Review. Happy New Year to you too.
Okay.
Review.
Thank you.
12th. I'll see you back on that morning at 8:30, at 8:25. All right. Best of luck to you.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning. Good morning. Yes. Ms. Adams, good to meet you in person.
Yeah.
And I have another.
Say your name. My name is Jordan Crudup. I'm a first year at Michigan State University.
Oh, go green.
Go
green. That's the stuff. Now we already got a good. All right.
Yeah, she's one of my daughter's friends, and so
very good.
Yeah.
All right. So good to have you. And first year in law school?
First year, I'm an undergrad pre-law major.
Oh, okay. That's what's up. That's what's up.
Yeah. So she's observing today, so she'll be zooming in. And I told her that's where the action is. So, but I'm so glad.
I don't know about that.
But what I'm pleased about is this is one of the judges who diligently comes in person every day. So.
Yeah.
I'm kind of geek because I know I see you on court cam and stuff. Oh, like, oh my God.
Don't pay attention to that stuff. All right.
All right, we'll zoom in, Judge. Thank you.
All right, you have officers in there waiting on you, and we're here.
Okay, all right, good deal. I've been talking to Barry. I'll get in there.
Very well.
Yeah.
Luss, Mr. Luss.
Yeah, I'm there.
I see you paid. Well, I don't know if you paid that couple of dollars long time ago or when you paid. I see it's down a little bit, but. What about probation? Did they zoom in for Luss?
I did talk about this. She said she was gonna connect.
All right.
So yeah, I did like 60 some hours of community service
Yeah, you're gonna do some community service hours. Did you have that? How many were you supposed to do?
They had me down for 155 hours for the 1900. So that was a lot. I mean,
that's a lot.
155 hours.
How much do you make an hour?
How much do I? Right now, I'm not making anything.
Okay, so there it is. You're getting that's basically giving you almost $20 an hour toward every hour that you're working, doing community service.
Yeah.
So I don't know if I can't do any better than that.
But I'm just saying, no, that's almost like what, a month worth of community service every day, 8 hours.
Well, you have to do it. You did the crime. You got to do the time. You want to go to jail? And I can send you to jail. We can close it out.
I thought about that.
That's an option. It's on you.
So I got to go to jail for not being able to pay?
Well, you know, that's the way. Basically, yes. Basically, that going to jail is punishment for the crime that you committed. You have an opportunity to pay, but you've ever since I met you, you've been complaining about what money you owed and all of this stuff, and you haven't done any much. You've done 60 hours of community service, but it's 500 the fines, or I got 93 days that you can that I can sentence you to, and that's always an option if you don't want to do the. Have you been testing?
Yeah, I've been testing. I've been clean for about almost going on 4 months.
That's good. You know, so yeah, that's the way we can close it out.
I thought that was unlawful.
Well, no, it's not unlawful. You've already been sentenced to drunk driving and the 93 days in jail. It would be unlawful if I made you go to jail for not being able to pay. If you wouldn't agree to go to jail for not being able to,
I'm not going to agree to that.
Okay, then it's not. I'm not sending you to jail. I'm trying to give you a way to close it out. So you're not agreeing to it. You got to do the community service out.
I have been doing the community service, but you know, I just had the hand surgery, and then the community service was closed for the Christmas vacation, so I haven't really been able to do that.
All right. Well, I'm gonna give you some more time. I'm gonna wait till probation comes in here to make sure you've been clean, though.
That's fine.
All right. I think that's the cutoff for officers for Oleski. And you believe it or not, there are some people that want to go to jail so they don't have to pay or they don't have to do the other requirements. I would feel the same way you would. I wouldn't want to go either.
I mean, the case from 2013 though, so I thought I would get a leniency or waive some of the fees. You know, I don't. It's not like I did this like yesterday or last month or so.
So that could have been another reason I could have sent you to jail. The case is from 2013. So you absconded. You didn't do what you were supposed to do.
I've been trying. I showed documentation.
It's not about trying. You didn't do it.
No, I'm saying I showed the probation officer documentation of me coming to the courts, but they wanted me to pay $600 to clear the warrant so I could start the court process over, which I didn't have at that time. I mean,
well, you don't seem to ever have any money.
Hey, that's part of being
you
married.
None in 2013, and you don't have none in 2025, 2026.
Hey, I don't know what happened. No, I mean, in the long term,
Jesse, you want this on the record?
No.
Oh, okay.
We haven't got. I'm waiting on probation to come down and nobody answered.
She didn't answer, but I did talk to her this morning.
All right. I'm waiting on an attorney now, so we can get back going. Oh boy. Mr. Ogletree.
Somebody came back there? Attorney?
Oh, I'll give him to, I'm gonna get him in there. I'm gonna get you out. All right. Ooh, yeah. City of Detroit versus Brianna Lindsay. Case number SP 177-3631, counts 1 and counts 2. State your name for the record, please.
She did.
Mariah Lindsay. Mariah Lindsay, I'm sorry. Good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning.
Did you you said you were gonna do community service, right?
Yeah.
Did you complete it?
Yes.
All right. How many hours did you do?
24.
And did you get your documentation back to Miss Shelton?
Miss Shelton? Yes. I sent it to her yesterday.
Check Miss Lindsay's and see if we can get a completion on it.
Completed, Miss, and I did talk to Miss Shelton this morning. She's just here.
All right, there we go. All right, Miss Lindsay, Happy New Year to you. I'm
Happy New Year.
Dismiss these cases and wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Okay, you too. Thank you.
Thank you. It's Daryl Green here. Is Caleb Gracie left? Is Derek Lewis here? And I'm just waiting on an attorney. Oh, Miss Davis, I'm sorry. I don't think Ryan is anywhere around.
No, okay, I will give him a call. Can I be placed in a breakout room with the prosecutor?
All right, Chris, the board, you have to wait in 4. They haven't signed on yet.
Okay, thank you.
What's his name? Talking to the trial.
David Edwards. Oh, Dave Edwards.
Yeah, that's not like Wayne.
Are you a member of Henry? Judge Perkins and Judge Sharp switch courtroom. Allowing them to Judge Sharp is in favor. Hold on, 1 second.
It's good with power. I'm gonna have to put in a request for it.
Hello? Are you there, sir? Number is 965.
Demetric Lewis, man, I can't believe it.
How you doing?
Good morning to you. Bennett never showed up. It's the city of Detroit versus Demetric Jonathan Lewis, case senior, case number SP 1806068, counts 1 and counts 2. State your name for the record, please.
Demetric Jonathan Lewis, Sr.
All right. Good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a trial. And I just can't believe Corporal Bennett did not show. He's dismissed, sir. Have a safe New Year. Happy New Year to you.
Thank you, sir. Happy New Year to you.
You.
We inside.
What is that? That's Bennett?
Bumps.
Oh.
Maybe he's on the wrong phone. That's something. Okay, see you in a minute. All right, bye.
City of Detroit versus Terrence Oldham, case number SP 1767818, counts 1 and counts 2. Good morning to you. State your name for the record, please. Is Terrence Oldham here? He is.
Yes.
Turn your camera on, sir. Good morning to you.
Okay. Good morning.
All right, good morning. State your name for the record, please.
Terrence Odom.
All right. Good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a trial. Paul Carruthers, Officer Carruthers. Do not see Officer Carruthers either. I'm going to dismiss the case. No officer. Nothing further, Mr. Oldham. Have a happy New Year and best of luck to you. All right.
All right. Thank you. You too.
Oh. Who?
Probation officer.
Bumpus.
She was in the wrong place. Wait. She.
Ogletree, are you ready on anyone? Mr. Olson.
Morning, Your Honor.
Morning. Do you have valid insurance?
No, I do not.
All right, give me a minute. All right, let's call it City of Detroit versus Lavelle Luss. Case number Z802857. Good morning to you, Mr. Luss. State your name for the record, please.
Lavelle Lust. Good morning.
And good morning, Miss Bumpus. Happy New Year to you. Happy New Year to Mr. Luss.
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. Happy New Year.
Good morning. What's I already kind of know what's going on with Mr. Lusk. I wanted to know about testing. How is Mr. Lusk doing on his?
Your Honor, he's doing good with the testing. He did miss on 12/26, but he went the following day on 12/27. His last test was on the 7th of January. He tested negative. He did test positive for benzodiazepines on December the 5th, but he had been in the hospital. I don't know if you recall, he had hand surgery, so he had some medication given. But other than that, he has been negative.
He's not doing good though. He missed the 26th. Just how happened he misses the day after Christmas.
Yeah, I mean that's because I forgot to call. I forgot to call the number, and so if that happened.
That's what you say. That you could tell me anything. I could believe that you missed the 26th because the 25th you turned up.
Well, I haven't been turning up. I stopped drinking and smoking because I got baptized like a week after you started the probation for me. So that's why I stopped. But what I wanted to say, you said I made $20 an hour for community service. If I did 65 hours, that should equal out to $1,300. And if I only owe $1,900, then why do I got to do 155 hours?
Well, maybe I didn't give you the $20 an hour. Let me see. Listen. We're not going to debate what the sentence was, okay?
I understand that, but I'm just relaying to what you told me.
If I told you 155 hours, it's going to be 155 hours. Now, we're going to go back to, first and foremost, like you said, this is a 2013 case. Mr. Luss, you're not going to keep coming in here asking me about the sentence and complaining about the sentence and stuff like that. I gave you what you can, I gave you one of your options today. You can do 30 days in jail. I'll give you 15 days in jail and you can clear it up. But about the sentence and all the community service hours, this is a drunk driving case that you had in 2013. It is 2026 now, and it's still not closed out. So for at least 12 years, you have absconded. And you have walked, listen.
It was OWVI though. It wasn't, I was under the legal limit.
Same thing.
I was under the legal limit. Okay.
It's drunk driving. OWVI, OWI, OUIL, whatever they want to call it at that, it's still drunk driving. Okay? So that's the pretty much most serious offense that I have. And you've had 13 years or 12 plus years to do away with this and you haven't done anything with it. All right.
Okay. So, I'm just saying because I heard I just was watching. It was a lady owed like almost $1,000, and you gave her 18 hours of community service.
No, I didn't give her 18 hours of community service for $1,000. No, I didn't. And every case is different. And this is a drunk driving case. And you keep on bringing something else up. Let's not talk about anybody else but Mr. Lutz. Okay? Now, how many hours has he completed?
Your Honor, he was supposed to inform us of that by way of showing Miss Shelton how many hours. I checked with Miss Shelton and she told me that Focus Hope is actually closed until January the 9th. So we weren't
That's
able
not
to.
true. That's not true. I was just there on the 5th.
Well, that's what Miss Shelton told me. She's a community service specialist. So we haven't been able to verify. The bottom line is we haven't been able to verify how many hours he's completed, Your Honor. I must say he has completed the outpatient treatment. I did get proof from his therapist. He completed at Elmhurst home, the treatment that was ordered.
Okay. And what else was he supposed to do?
He was ordered to attend AA. He has shown some proof, but I haven't received any updated proof of that, Your Honor.
What are you doing with that?
Well, my counselor at the drug treatment told me that it was for AA and NA, so I didn't understand.
What are you doing with it? Are you going or not?
What, AA?
Yes.
I haven't been going to AA, but that's why I haven't been going, because the counselor at the outpatient treatment told me that they did both, AA and NA. So basically when I go there, it's treatment for both.
So what?
Well, initially I was told that I was only supposed to attend 2 AA meetings.
See, you're gonna have to come in. I'm about tired of dealing with you.
I haven't been drinking or smoking, so
So what? That's what you say.
Well, the drug test been proving that too.
Well, you missed one. That's another thing I can lock you up for. You always have an excuse for something.
I'm just giving you reasons, sir.
I know, excuses. 155 hours of community service. He says he's done 60 hours of community service. He says they were closed over the holiday.
And I returned January 5th, and they didn't have all their paperwork together then, so she told me come back the following day. And I didn't have any money for gas to get up there. So once it's continued, then it'll be done next month.
And Your Honor, he also has alcohol highway safety to attend as well.
So here, the original sentence. The original sentence was Alcoholic Anonymous and Narcotics Anonymous attend both. A complete alcohol highway safety. Attend inpatient, outpatient treatment. Submit to drug urinalysis. Pay all outstanding traffic court tickets in full and obtain a valid driver's license. The defendant can request an early discharge on 8/31/16, at which time the issue of overpayment refund will be reviewed by judge. That was the original sentence, and that was, so this sentence was handed down in 2015, July the 16th. And the first day I met you, you've come in and you've talked about how it's this is 12 years ago or 10 years ago, and basically how you shouldn't be held responsible for it. That's all you've been talking about, and you still keep talking about that.
I was 30 years old when this happened.
I don't care. Listen, I'm gonna if you continue this attitude and this not accepting responsibility, I am gonna put you in jail.
I'm accepting my responsibility. I've been in compliance.
You're not. Don't say anything. When I want you to say something, I'll ask you to talk. That's all you do. Now, let's get Miss Shelton in here to find out. We've already know he missed one of his testing. Let's get Miss Shelton in here to find out how many hours of community service he has. I'm going to pass the matter.
Your Honor, if I may, do you want me to stay on Zoom, Your Honor, or?
You're fine. Thank you, Ms. Bumpus. Happy New Year to you.
Thank you. Will you let me know then what you want to do, Judge? I'll call back then.
Absolutely.
Okay. Thank you so much.
License for her, please.
I'm trying to verify community service for the workplace. What he's completed so far.
I haven't talked to Miss Shelton since I've been on probation. I don't know where that
When I ask you to talk, until I ask you to talk, please be quiet, okay?
I mean, you could go in. She just left. She just trying to be up.
All right, what is about the license?
It's valid.
The license is valid, Miss Harris, for Miss Gray. Let's go back on the record with Miss Gray. Miss Gray, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, there's a recommendation she could admit responsibility to the amended count of limited access 1 to 5 over with the remaining matters dismissed.
You want to take the deal, ma'am?
Ms. Gray? Ms. Gray?
Yes, I'm here.
You want to take the deal, limited access?
Okay, I'm about to go.
1 to 5, $125. Miss Gray.
Yes, I'm sorry.
Do you want to take the deal? Limited access, 1 to 5, $125, other matters dismissed.
So all I have to pay is the $125 and it be dismissed?
And the other matters are going to be dismissed. The limited access will be closed out once you pay it. You want to take the deal?
Yes.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket for purposes of the factual basis. We stipulate to probable cause for the dismissals.
All right, with those stipulations, I'm going to find you responsible for the amended count of limited access, 1 to 5, $125. When can you pay it, ma'am?
I could pay it immediately, ASAP.
All right, make sure it gets in here by the 12th of January. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If there's nothing further, Happy New Year to you and best of luck to you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. This is the city of Detroit versus Chanel Lynn Oleski, case number SP 179-05041, SP 182-59091, U72-595-125, U72-595-425. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of Ms. Oleski, please state your name for the record.
Yes, my maiden name is Chanel Oleski.
All right. Good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for a trial. So I have Officer, looks like Officer Taylor is here, or was here. I don't know if I've seen, so Officer Taylor was here. That seems to be the only officer that appeared. All right.
Defense moved to dismiss on the matters where officers did not appear.
All right, then this was an ID issue as well, too, as I recall.
Yes.
Go ahead and speak to Ms. Oleski in the breakout room. Ms. Oleski, Ms. Harris is gonna work it out for you, all right?
Okay, thank you.
Pass the matter. Would it,
Ms. Shelton, she said she don't know. She's looking into it and she's gonna call us.
very well.
All right.
All right, good morning to you, Mr. Givens. Give us a minute, please. Mr. Ogletree, are you there?
I'm here, Your Honor.
Who are you ready on?
I have two people ready, Miss Leopard and the Miss Osteen.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Miss Shakoya Osteen. Case number SP 147662721. Appearance for the record, please.
Aaron Ogletree and Buffalo, Miss Osteen, P number 69167. Can you state your name?
Unmute yourself, ma'am.
Okay. My name is Shakoya Osteen.
All right, good morning to you. Happy New Year to you. Today is date and time set for a pretrial, right?
Yes. She requesting a bench trial date.
All right.
I have a question. I thought you said we can get this over with today.
Can we recall the case?
This is pleading guilty. $240 is going to be the fine. I don't know.
I'm not guilty.
No,
Okay, so
she wants a trial date.
It's a procedure. You say you're not guilty, but I got to hear both sides. The only way we can do that is to bring in the officer, and that way that officer has an opportunity to present their side as well. You understand that?
Yes.
All right. So trial has got to be trial. It won't be over today, because the city's not just going to say, "Oh, she says she's not guilty," and they just drop the case. All right. January 26, 2026 at 9 a.m. All right, Miss Osteen.
Is that going to be a Zoom court hearing as well?
Yes.
Yeah, that's like Burger King. You have it your way, ma'am.
Okay.
26 at 9 a.m. We should get some resolution on that day.
I have another question. Will it be courtroom 434 or this courtroom 535?
535. Anything else?
Will I be able to speak to the attorney or do I just?
Yeah, you have his
I'll
number.
speak to you in the breakout room again.
Thank you.
All right, rejoin that room, please. Have a great day, Miss Osteen. If you don't have any further questions with the court. Did you give him an advice or rights form?
No, not yet, sir.
City of Detroit, versus Jacqueline Lippert, case number SP1743116, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Here on tree on behalf of Miss Lippert, P number 69167. You state your full name.
Jacqueline.
She's requesting a bench trial date.
Yeah. Camera on, ma'am. And if you have some outside background noise, please turn it off. Good morning to you. Happy New Year to you. You want a trial date?
Your Honor. Yeah.
Trial date is going to be same date, January 26, 2026 at 9 a.m. There's nothing further. Ms. Lippert, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you too, Your Honor. I have one question. Is my license okay?
This has nothing to do with your license. I think we can run it and see. Run her license, please, Ms. Mathis. Lippert. Here, I'll give it to you.
And then you said the 26th at 9 a.m., correct?
9 a.m., yes.
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
All right, you want to check in? You want to wait on your license, or you good?
I will wait, yes, thank you.
It's valid.
It's valid.
You want to see it?
Okay,
No.
thank you, Your Honor.
Have a great day, Ms. Lippert.
Thank you, sir.
All right. Davis, Miss Shelton, good morning.
Good morning,
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lust. Mr. Lust, Miss Shelton, can you put your name in? Happy New Year to you as well.
Happy New Year to you, Your Honor.
Can you state your name and your title for the record, please?
Alice Shelton, Community Service Specialist.
Okay, I have Mr. Lust here. He indicates to the court that he's completed 60 hours of community service. What do you have?
I have 63 to be precise.
Very well. All right. So when are you how long is it gonna take you to finish this? Mr. Lust?
Sure. I mean, they give me adequate time to, when I go in. So I don't know how many days I actually did a community service. Probably like 2 more weeks. I'm thinking as long as I got gas money to do the community service, I'm good. So,
what about this other stuff? What about that alcohol highway safety class?
I told you I'm in the time of hardship right now. This, I've been telling you, my lawn care season, I made adequate money. I did this at the wrong time. I should have did this when I was making money. I would have had everything paid off by now. But it was the end of lawn care season when I started all this. So that's just the biggest issue for me right now.
All right, get with Miss Bumpus. You have Miss Bumpus's numbers. She can I don't know if they have anything to help you out on that, but you need to talk to her about it. I'm gonna have you back for another review on February 9th, 2026 at 8:25. Don't miss another test. And it's on you. Whatever you get the stuff put behind you, that's when we'll close it out. All right, Mr. Lust?
Yes, sir.
Happy New Year to you. Best of luck to you. And thank you, Miss Shelton.
You're welcome, Your Honor. Thank you.
What we waiting on now? Ms. Davis, what about your client?
Hi, good morning, Your Honor. We have not been able to get in contact with Mr. Gresham.
All right. Well, we'll be here for a little while at least.
Okay. All right. I'll wait a few more minutes for him then. Thank you, Your Honor.
What you shaking your head for?
No reason, Judge.
There's a reason.
You know how you be doing stuff and it just don't go the way you want it to go.
I know that. Did you give Mr. Goodlet an advice of rights?
Let him go now.
Listen, you got it. That's like everybody that comes in here needs one of those forms.
Judge Perkins.
Let's see.
Howard Shelter. You had quarter. So ticket the DeAndre Young. What's your middle name? What birthday you see on me?
Yetta LaGrone.
I see you still owe money.
Oh, you have an equipment violation as well. You have invalid insurance, ma'am?
Yes, sir, I do.
All right, make sure that you have that out and that you can show one of the attorneys. And then I would have let you go, but you have that equipment violation as well. So they'll discuss that with you, okay?
Okay.
Just get the copy of insurance out when the attorney needs to see it.
It's downloaded on my phone.
If you can, however you can do it.
Okay.
All right. Okay, let's go back on the record with Ms. Oleski. Ms. Oleski, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, this is a dismissal, obviously, right?
Yes, Your Honor, the officer had no recollection.
No recollection. That doesn't really solve her problem. What is this? Is this 9220 Woodall Bay? That was an old address, or was that, do you have any relation to that address at all?
Me, sir? No, I'm not familiar with any of these addresses.
Why don't you put your updated address in the system here and I can update your address in the system down here.
Okay, yes, I live in Florida now, so my address, I'm
You can place it, you can place it in the chat and send a direct message to the judge.
Mm-hmm.
You should have been able to get it now. You did. So that you still owe the money for the remaining balance.
Sure.
Still owe the course of money. Even though okay. Okay.
All right, we'll update that address, and I don't know how much that will alleviate things, but at least if that ever happens again, somebody's given that 9220 Woodall address. So that won't, at least that will
2612.
correct that.
Okay. I did reach out to the Social Security office as well as Ms. Harris had recommended, and so I was able to flag my old license. So if they pull up a license, presumably they should see that it should request additional identification. And then I actually was able to get a police report filed as well with the Detroit with Detective Snyder. So hopefully there's enough in the system now that if this person comes into contact with police enforcement again, that they'll be able to see on their end that there's some history there that of stolen identity.
Very well. All right. Happy New Year to you, Ms. Oleski. I hope this does. I know it's kind of nerve-wracking, I'm sure, but I hope it takes care of it. Best of luck to you, and be safe.
Thank you so much, sir. Best of luck. Happy New Year to you as well.
All right. Let's call the City of Detroit versus Jeremy Jacob Goodlet. Case numbers SP 138-9661, count 2 and 3. SP 139-8044, count 1. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Jeremy Jacob Goodlet.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request that the warrant be recalled.
Will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. You'll give your client a $0 bond. He's in person. I do have an advice of rights form for him. Get Mr. Goodlet. Mr. Goodlet, Ms. Harris is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with her. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Okay, no problem.
He's in there, Ms. Harris. Good morning. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Yeah. Let's give you my headset.
Good morning. Hey, how are you? Happy New Year to you.
I'm here to look at a wall that needs to be painted. Is it this one?
I don't know. Oh, we're getting new paint and everything, huh? Why don't you just give us all new paint and everything?
This is the newest courtroom.
Newest courtroom?
This used to be a storage room. Turned it.
Thanks. They put me in the storage room. That's what the problem.
They put you in a closet.
Yeah, they did. But listen, look at they gave me all this though.
It looks excellent on that wall though. The
Yeah, it
color.
does, doesn't it? It's right and everything.
So it needs to be changed.
All right, let's, what about the advice of rights?
That's what I'm saying. He said we gotta go through court administration.
Yeah, it needs to be approved through them. If there's some kind of change that needs to be done, that needs to be changed.
Huh? Because if once they get it, there's no problem for you to switch it up, is it?
Yeah, and it's not an emergency, yeah, you just gotta make sure it's been approved, that's all.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Goodlet. Step up there, Mr. Goodlet. All right, Ms. Harris, I've given you an opportunity to speak to Mr. Goodlet. Mr. Goodlet, what does the client want to do?
He actually wants a trial date. I did advise that getting an attorney appointed might be in his best interest as well. So we would ask the court to appoint an attorney.
Want an attorney too, Mr. Goodlet? All right, need appointed attorney. This number that you called in on, that's the best number to reach you? All right, call back in. You don't have to come back in next time. You're more than welcome to come down if you want to. But we're gonna set a pre-trial date, and that date is set so that that attorney has an opportunity to contact you. I need you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by your next court date, then we'll get one appointed to you on the spot. And then you'll make a decision. You guys will make its decision on after advice with him and speaking to he or she, then you can make a decision whether you want the trial date then and we can give it to you. All right. If there's nothing further, sir, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Hey, Judge, quick question.
Yeah.
Those pictures that you got in here, they one of the 20 did those.
You know it.
I got
yes.
Yeah, my stepdad is like real cool with him.
Yes.
Gave me, he just like in the summertime, it's crazy. I got one of those similar, like the piece to match and a few other pieces, but he gave me a whole bunch of artwork like over the summer, like thousands worth of artwork. That's why I knew exactly, because he's the only person who paint like that.
So I got these tickets. I mean, I got these. He loaned them to Judge Morrow.
Really?
And Judge Morrow retired a couple of years ago, and Judge Morrow loaned them to me. So they will go back to the original. What's his last name?
Ali. Yeah.
They'll go back to him once, unless he calls on them now. They're his paintings.
Yeah, I guarantee you, he probably won't. When I say he had a house on the west side full of art. Like it was an old historical house that he had. When I say full of art, the whole yard, the front yard, it was to the point like those paintings, he's selling them for thousands. He was giving them away. Like I got a picture in my living room. It's like probably floor to ceiling, like this African tribe woman. And it came with like 3 different pieces. And each one of them tell a story. Like if you really sit back and look at it, like you can see the kid growing up, like it's dope. Like,
well, I would like to meet him then.
Yeah.
Everybody loves him. Obviously, I love him. And
I'm gonna reach out to him definitely because he family. So it was like to see those paintings, and I gotta call my mom. Like to see those paintings, like I noticed them like right in the middle. He was in court. I didn't want to say nothing. I'm like, oh, he got his paintings.
All right, Mr.
Thanks,
Jones.
I appreciate it.
That's a good story. I appreciate you. Have a great day.
I appreciate you.
All right. Cedric Oliver, are you there? This is the city of Detroit versus Cedric Juan Oliver Jr.
Cut my
Case
time as we speak, Your Honor.
1-94611. Appearance for the record, please.
My name is Cedric Juan Oliver Jr.
Good morning. On behalf of Mr. Oliver, for purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Enter a not guilty plea on his behalf. We'll give him a $0 bond. Mr. Oliver, Happy New Year to you. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. When you see the prompt, let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
All right.
Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Turhan Grant. Mr. Grant, I've given you an opportunity to speak to Mr. Berry. What does Mr. Grant want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to enter a plea to failure to display for the driving while license suspended ending in 4511. He would also enter a plea to blocking traffic for the improper right turn ending in 0532. He would also enter a plea to 1 to 5 miles over for the disregarding a traffic device sign. That's ending in 4991. Also, he'd enter
not limited access, just 1 to 5?
1 to 5, Your Honor. As to the driving on a shoulder, that would be reduced to limited access 1 to 5 miles over. And that ends in 0961. And finally, 1 count of this failure to use crash helmet, the 1 off docket.
As charged?
As charged. The remaining matters to be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Grant?
Yes, it's in my best interest.
All right. Raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fine, a misdemeanor offense?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yeah.
You have any questions about those rights?
No.
So by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
All right. Let me draw your attention back to April the 24th, 2025 at around 9:59 a.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Livernois and Iroquois, Verner and Iroquois, I'm sorry, Verner and Iroquois. You have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
I guess so. I'm
Not
not.
guess.
I'm not
I'm
sure
not-
of the dates. I'm not sure of the date. So if that was the date, then I guess so.
The date was April the 24th. They say you are operating a 2022 Canna Gray. I guess
Can-Am,
that's the one.
Can-Am Spider.
Yeah, that's some kind of motorcycle or something.
Yeah, 3-wheeler.
And do you recall getting pulled over on Verner Highway in Iroquois?
Yes.
And were you operating that 3-wheeler on that day?
Yes.
And did the officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes, he did.
Couldn't do so, could you?
No, sir.
And why is that?
Because my license was suspended.
All right, find your client guilty of the amended count of failure to display for the amended from the driver's license suspended repeat offender. And on behalf of your client, will you face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for those responsible, please, on the Civil Infractions Council?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulated.
All right. I'm going to find you responsible for the amended count of 1 to 5 for disregarding the traffic control device. I'm going to find you responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic for the improper right turn. And I'm going to find you responsible for the amended count of limited access 1 to 5 for driving on the shoulder. And I'm going to find you responsible as charged to failure to wear a crash helmet. And with that stipulation, I'll also dismiss the other matters. All right, are you working, sir?
Yes.
I'll fine you $240 for the failure to display. I'm going to fine you $175 for the blocking traffic. And you owe a lot of other money here. I'm gonna give you a break on the other stuff, all right?
Okay.
You're not paying.
I just paid off a bunch of tickets in November. I just paid almost 1,200 in tickets.
Well, you keep getting them then, and you owe plenty more than that.
I've been trying to get them all knocked down, and it seems like every time I turn around, and that's why I'm not driving, and that's why I guess it's hard to get back and forth to work, catching the bus and stuff, and I'm doing as best as I can, and everywhere I try to get a break, somehow I mess up. So it's all I gotta take the fault for it.
You have to. I'm not gonna take it for you.
I know you're not, and I ain't expecting you to.
I know. All right. I got a review on you don't have to come back. I'll just put pay by, and then I put mark allow payment plan. So by February 9th, you have to figure it out, either pay it all the way off or get into a payment plan by February 9th. If it's nothing further, Grant, I hope this is a better new year for you. You got that expensive bike?
Well, that was my girl's bike, and me and her ain't together no more. That's why I was trying to tell him. So yeah, and I had a crash helmet. I just ain't have it with me that day. But yeah. So yeah, that's why I say. So it'd be a lot of stuff on my own self. So I can't really say too much because some of it be my fault.
And he lost his girlfriend. Ain't that messed up? He might be more disappointed that he lost the bike instead of the girl.
The girl, yes, that part.
All right, Mr. Grant. Happy New Year.
Man. Enjoy your new year, brother.
All right, you too.
All right.
City of Detroit versus Kenyatta Charmaine LeGrone. Case number SP 1819860. One in counts. Ms. LeGrone, turn that TV off or something, or mute it, please.
Yeah, my daughter just opened her door. Hold on. Close that door.
Yeah, Charmaine LeGrone, case number SP 1819860, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. LeGrone.
Kenyatta Charmaine LeGrone.
All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a show cause, Mr. Berry, for purposes of arraignment.
My client would stay on mute, Your Honor.
And will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Ms. LeGrone, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind if you don't like it. Ms. LeGrone.
Yes.
Is that background noise from you?
No.
It's either you or Lotta.
Your Honor.
All right.
There's an off-docket matter. There's only one matter on the docket.
Violation, equipment violation.
All right.
That's why tenant windows. Yep. That's the allegation. All right. Go ahead in the breakout room, Ms. LeGrone, and speak to Mr. Berry. See if he can work it out. If you can't, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room.
Thank you.
Cedric Oliver.
Turn my camera, but not the microphone.
Sorry, you just want a trial date, sir?
Yes, please.
Now let's go back on the record with Mr. Cedric Oliver. Trial date is going to be January 26th at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, Mr. Oliver, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Same courtroom.
Same courtroom.
God bless. Thank you.
God bless you as well. Thank you.
January 26th. What time? Say it one more time for me. I'm sorry. What time?
9 a.m.
9 a.m. Copy.
All right. Someone put dismissed by Mr. Olson's name. Are you ready on anyone, Mr. Ogletree?
I'm ready.
All right, City of Detroit versus Jonathan Lotta. Let's go back on the record. Let's City of Detroit versus Jonathan Raymond Lotta. Case number U725-95225. Appearance for the record, please.
Aaron Ogletree, about for Mr. Lotta. P number 69167. Mr. Lotta, can you state your name?
Jonathan Leda.
Later. Good morning to you, sir. Day is date and time set for a pre-trial. What does Mr. Later want to do?
Respectfully requesting a bench trial date.
Trial date to be January 26, 2026 at 9 a.m., Mr. Later. If there's nothing further, best of luck to you. Happy New Year to you. I'll see you back on the 26th.
Sounds good, Your Honor. Happy New Year.
Thank you.
Thanks.
All right. You're welcome. City of Detroit versus Tierra Lewis. Case number SP 1430967, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1430995-1. SP 1805137-1. SP 1805149-1. Appearance for the record, please.
Aaron Ogletree, about for Ms. Lewis. P number 69167. Ms. Lewis, can you unmute, state your name?
Tierra Lewis.
Good morning again, Ms. Lewis. Day is date and time, pre-trial. What's your client want to do, Mr.?
There's a resolution. She's going to plead no contest, but she says she does remember. The case happened about 3 years ago. She's going to plead no contest to disorderly conduct. That's going to be a 3-month delayed sentence. Then improper plate as charged, and the balance will be dismissed.
That's what you want to do, Ms. Lewis? You're just doing that. You're just doing that to get it over with, aren't you?
Yes, sir.
Makes no sense to me, but if it makes sense to you, your cases. Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 90 days in jail and or 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Ogletree went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
He did.
And you understood those rights?
Yeah.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No.
You know, by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yeah.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
I don't even have a ticket here with the disorderly conduct on there, Mr. Ogle. But if it's a Miss Lewis has been in front of me before too.
What happened?
Been in front of me before.
Yeah, plenty of time. Many times. I'm trying to get back to work though.
Don't brag on that.
No, that's not cute, but I'm just saying I'm trying to get back to work.
Okay.
My job it consists of driving, and you don't like driving in your courtroom.
Right. All right, so I don't as far as the
The disorderly conduct occurred according to reservations the same day and around the same time as the improper plate.
The improper plate?
Yeah, they both happened on the same day, February 7, 2023, around 10:40 a.m., 10:42 a.m.
All right, so she doesn't recall either one of them, right?
That's what she said.
All right, so you want to stipulate to the face of the tickets as an accurate factual basis for that no contest plea?
Yes.
And stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters?
Yes.
Find your client, the no contest plea is gonna be treated as a guilty plea for purposes of sentencing. So I'll find, for the disorderly conduct, I'll sentence you to $240 fine and a 3-month delayed sentence. And then I won't fine you for the other matter, improper plate. Your next court date is gonna be May the 9th, 2026. You pay the, you know how to pay it. Any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit, I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. And then that'll be it. If you don't get any other trouble disorderly conduct wise, we'll dismiss the case if they're paid and you don't get any other trouble. May the 9th is next court date. If you don't have any further questions, best of luck to you.
When does the 240 do?
By May the 9th.
Oh, by May 9th. Oh, okay, cool. Okay, thank you.
All right, best of luck to you.
I have two other people, but I've not seen that they've appeared and they're not answering.
All right. I'll see you next time.
All right, take care.
All right. Good morning. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year as well, Your Honor. Just want to inform you the gentleman, Kevin O'Neill, is under your jurisdiction. He wasn't serving, he wasn't arrested. They cleared everything in Missouri. He's on his way back. He should be back here next couple of days.
And when is his court date? Do you know?
Not offhand, but I don't think you see him until I think it's next month, I'm not mistaken. I'll find out.
All right, very well.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, see you later. Let's go back on the record with Ms. LaGrone. Mr. Berry, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to Ms. LaGrone. What's gonna happen here?
The jury will accept the people's offer to enter a plea to the improper equipment, the insurance matter to be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, Ms. LaGrone?
Yes.
All right, stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for those that responsible plea on your client's behalf.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulated.
All right, find your client responsible as charged to the improper equipment, $120. That can get expensive, those tinted windows. When can you pay it, Ms. LaGrone?
The 21st of January.
All right, pay it by the 21st. If it's up further, ma'am, have a safe, happy holidays. A happy New Year to you. Pay it at any DivDat key. Detroit, I'm told you can upload DivDat app to your phone. It is a lot of background noise on your device. All right, have a great day, Ms. LaGrone.
Thank you. You too as well.
Thank you. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Tyler Stephen Olson, case number SP 181-29981. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of Mr. Olson, please state your name for the record.
Tyler Stephen Olson.
All right, good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Your Honor, at this time, there was a recommendation to dismiss.
All right, and the officer Kay Harris was here. Officer Harris, good morning to you. Can you put your name, badge, number, department on the record, please?
Officer Cameron Harris, badge 3126, Detroit Police Department.
All right, good morning to you.
Morning,
Happy New Year to you. Happy New Year to both of you. I'm going to dismiss the case. Best of luck to you, Mr. Olson. Have a great day. And Officer Harris, Happy New Year to you, and you be safe out there. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you, sir. God bless you.
Thank you.
You have a good day.
Thank you. I think this is all Miss Harris. Now, this is the City of Detroit versus Summer Griffin. Case number SP 179-02521. Appearance for the record, please.
Harris, on behalf of Ms. Griffin, please state your name for the record.
Hi, my name is Summer Griffin.
Good morning to you, officer. Good morning to you, Ms. Griffin. Happy New Year to you. Officer Green, good morning to you. Can you put your name, badge, number, department on the record for the court, please?
Yes, sir. Green. Unit, number.
All right, you're coming through breaking up. Take your hat off, Officer Green, please.
Checking in at 8:44, Judge.
Who? I know. I haven't checked in. I just his thing was choppy. Put that on your name, badge, number, department on the record again, Officer Green. That I didn't. It came through choppy.
All right, Officer Green, badge number 1417 with the MH unit.
All right. Good morning to you. All right. This is a as charged plea.
Yes, Your Honor, a 3-month delayed sentence.
Want to take the deal, Miss Griffin?
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
Understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Ms. Harris went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not? Harris, go over your other advice or rights?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Any questions about those rights?
No.
You know, by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to September the 9th, 2025 at around 1:13 a.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Jefferson and Iroquois. Were you in that area around that date and that time?
Yes.
What's over there, ma'am?
Like a empty parking lot, waterfront type of thing. Me and my friend had drove over there.
For the park over there?
No, it's like a waterfront. I think like to load boats.
It's a city park though, right?
I didn't know at the time. I found out once I got the ticket. But yes.
Is that the city park? Which park is that on Jefferson and Iroquois? Is that Irma Henderson? Owens Park. Will you agree that that's a park? You're not contesting that, are you?
No, I didn't know the name or anything, but I agree.
And you were there at that time, around that date and that time?
Yes.
All right, I have to find you guilty because parks close at 10 p.m. and by the nature of the time, find you guilty, 3-month delay, $240. Pay it by May the 9th, 2026. Come back on May the 9th, 2026. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone. If you pay it, you don't get any other park tickets, we'll dismiss the case. Okay, Ms. Griffin?
Okay.
All right. Best of luck to you. Happy New Year to you. Be safe and have a very good day. Happy New Year
as well.
Be safe out there as well. Happy New Year to you.
All right. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. This is the city of Detroit versus Jason J. Givens.
Mr. Berry is in the breakout room with Mr. Gibbons. I hadn't spoke to that person. They didn't join when I sent the request, so Mr. Berry is doing that now.
Very well. It was improper plate and failure to display. Let Mr. Berry know that. Left offer open for some reason.
Breakout room with Ms. Horn, so I guess I'm too late.
Well, go speak. You can go in there and speak, let them know. I mean, I don't know. You don't have to. I know it's probably going to be something different and we'll talk about it.
Which is 2602.
No, Grisham, huh?
He still has to test. Just every minute condition. Must is still testing, correct?
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah, he still had to do his classes.
Your Honor.
Hello.
Hi, I'm just checking in, just to make sure that Gresham has not appeared.
No, he hasn't.
Okay. Will we go on the record for KPS or?
No, we'll just put it in.
Okay. All right, thank you, Your Honor. Have a great day.
Yes, well, Happy New Year to you.
Happy New Year. Thank you.
Thank you.
Judge Bumper said, Mr. Lusby giving her a hard time.
I know, he's just,
Complaining and stuff.
he wants just everything to just go away because he's broke.
Say he want everything to go away because he broke.
It's ridiculous.
That's everybody. He vocal about it.
No, he just keeps on and on and on.
Okay, bad mom.
I ain't got no problem.
Call the judge back so y'all can talk back.
Miss Knapp is there, gonna laugh.
Yeah, must have laughed though.
Why not? You laughing?
Things change, my mom passed, I used to be running around giggling and stuff.
She'll get it back.
Another feeling.
Another feeling too.
And that funny, she used to be like, shut up, ain't nothing funny, Jamira. She used to be telling me that.
I can believe it.
She used to be like, tired of you laughing, shut your. Hey, I used to be like, dang.
Yeah, it's crazy, isn't it?
Appreciate it. My mom used to call every morning and fuss about something.
Who, your mom?
Mm-hmm. And I was just listen. It's okay, mom. Well, I'd take anything to have that right.
Yes, you would. It's crazy, isn't it?
When I was younger, I used to be mad about it. I got older and I saw sick.
Checking in on you, though.
I'm my husband, I heard my father divorced when I was like 9.
Is he still alive?
Yeah, he moved to Minnesota when I was about 9 and remarried to my stepmother.
That's one place I don't want to be, Minnesota.
It's cold.
I just
like it for some reason, but he's from Vicksburg.
I couldn't stand Minnesota.
I went up there the first day I got there, 15 inches dropped.
Did it?
I was about 13 years old.
My son used to play soccer in Minnesota. That was one of his regularly scheduled things on his.
It's colder there than here. It's cold there.
Oh, absolutely.
It should be 24.
But it's a nice place though. Minneapolis is nice. He stayed in
Like if
Minneapolis.
you have a court directory,
St. Paul.
Juicy, that's the Juicy Lucy.
I don't know.
You don't never heard of the Juicy Lucy?
I only been there once.
So that's their like their thing. They have a hamburger they call a Juicy
It's called the
Lucy.
Juicy Lucy.
And what they do is I guess they patty up with cheese in the center of it. And when they cook it,
that sounds good.
And when they cook it, yeah, So that you can get that like every.
I remember a young lady showed me when I was younger, because I buy the ground chuck when I make hamburgers. And she showed me how to put the red onions on the inside of it when you patty. You patty it and cook it like that.
Still got a smile on your face, don't you? Mr. Barry, are we ready?
Ready, Your Honor.
All right, good morning to you, Mr. Givens. This is the City of Detroit versus Jason J. Givens. Case number SP 1528825, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1741468, counts. Strike that. SP 1741473, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1763423, U279353515. There's a lot of civil infractions that I will that just I don't know why they didn't come up on the docket, whether we didn't set them aside or whether. Okay. So I have an improper plate and a failure to display. Limited access 1 to 5.
2402.
And dismissing the rest of the stuff. So let's call SP 1727481, counts 1, 2, and 3 into the record. SP 1741468, counts 1 and counts 2. And SP 1763423, counts 1 and counts 2. That said U279353515. Okay. What happened? What are we gonna do? Are they gonna go with this offer?
Yes, Your Honor.
So I had limited access 1 to 5 for the driving on the shoulder, operating while texting as charged, improper plate, and failure to display. And the rest of the matters dismissed.
This shouldn't be. Who brought this home?
Yes, Your Honor.
This is coming from court 1434, which it shouldn't be coming from.
All right, you want to take the deal, Mr. Givens?
Yes, Your Honor.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for these misdemeanor offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
See, when we move, they was doing a lot.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Barry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Any questions about those rights?
No.
You know by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yeah.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to June the 11th, 2025 at around 3:01 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Gratiot and East McNichols. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Did the officer ask you to produce valid insurance and driver's license?
Yes.
You couldn't do either, could you?
No, sir.
Why is that?
Because I didn't have it.
Very well. Find your client guilty of the amended count of improper plate. I have it for the unregistered untitled. Did the officer ask you to produce for the registration as well?
Yes.
And you didn't have that, did you? You didn't have the registration, did you, sir?
No. Oh, yeah. No.
All right. I find them guilty of the amended count of improper plate for not having the registration and failure to display amended count for not having the valid driver's license. Stipulate to the other faces of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible pleas for the other counts, Mr. Berry.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Take the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulated.
All right, with those, I'm gonna find you responsible for limited access 1 to 5 for the driving on shoulder. I'm gonna find you as charged to texting while driving. And I will dismiss the other matters. As for sentencing, find you 240 for the failure to display. And I'll fine you 125 for the limited access 1 to 5. And I'll cut you a break on the other 2. I won't fine you for the other 2, all right? When can you pay? 125 and 240. I'll waive the warrant fees.
Your Honor, I'm jobless, and I was wondering if it's some type of community service or anything that I can do to pay off my debt.
It'll be.
I don't know for sure. We got a phone 535.
Let's say 24 hours of community service will clear everything.
Also, Your Honor, do you have like anywhere I could do the community service at?
Yeah, they're gonna get that to you. You have a phone number that they can contact you?
Yes, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you.
All right, give me that phone number, Mr. Givens.
Area code 31985-2437.
2437?
Yes.
I'm gonna give you a month to take care of this, February 9th, 2026. As far as you shouldn't have to call them, they should call you. But if you don't hear from them, you can you have an ink pen ready? You have an ink pen?
Oh yes, well, I'm going to put it. I'm going to put it in my phone.
313-965-8130. That's the community service coordinator. And then you have the number. You know how to get in touch with us. Again, they should contact you. If you don't hear from them in about a week or so, then give us a call, and then we will get them in touch with you. But you should hear from them. I'll give you until February 9th to complete 24 hours of community service. Happy New Year to you, Mr. Givens, and best of luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you. I appreciate you. Thank you.
All right. And after the day, try to go get your driver's license.
Thank you.
All right. All right. Officers, Corporal Rule, Lieutenant Granberry, Officer Patman, Officer Franco. There's some other officers in the breakout room that I tried to, Corporal Spidell.